Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. Find the distance between points P and Q. A. Root of 40 units. B. 4 units. C. 6 units. D. Root of 60 units. E. Root of 30 units. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method, using formula of distance between 2 points, root of x subscript 1 minus x subscript 2 raised to 2 plus y subscript 1 minus y subscript 2 raised to 2 equals -3 minus -5 raised to 2 plus 2 minus 8 raised to 2. Equals root of 4 plus 36 equals root of 40 units. And the answer is letter A. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 30 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. The standard method was not as long too. Let's see which one's faster. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option A. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, it used the same formula as we did in the standard method, and it quickly gave us the correct answer, which is letter A, root of 40 units. That was fast! Now let's try this in Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option A. Let's see if Gemini can solve the problem as fast as ChatGPT can. Alright, it used the same formula and it also gave us the correct answer, which is root of 40 units, but it should be letter A. Gave the wrong letter, but it gave us the correct answer, which is a root of 40 units. Oh well, again, at the disclaimer at the bottom, it says Gemini will display inaccurate info. This must be one of those times. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. The difference between x subscript 1 and x subscript 2 is 2 units. Difference between y subscript 1 and y subscript 2 is 6 units. Since the lines PQ, x subscript 1 minus x subscript 2 and y subscript 1 minus y subscript 2 form a right-angled triangle with PQ as the hypotenuse, we already know that the hypotenuse of any right triangle should be more than the longest right side but less than the sum of the right sides. Thus, length of PQ should be lying between 6 is less than PQ is less than 6 plus 2. The only value satisfying this range is root of 40, which is congruent to 6.3 units. Therefore, the answer is letter A. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is a little over 10 seconds. 5 seconds more. But still faster than the standard method and even the AI. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.